just put it like there. Yeah, like that. There, that's it.
Just slow down, mate. My camera's not that quick.
See that, Mitch?
He's used to.
So like, pretty much like all I'm doing is just circling it up. You've got to think it's coming out that way.
He's used to throwing a few cast nets in his time, mate.
Go down the
Up in Townsville, fucking.
And then you'll find that, like, you know that's long. You'll know your car and you can just tuck it up for now. Yep. But then the next time you'll know you've got an extra length or so. Yep. But then once that's done, so if you just chuck that spring white thing in there. But it's the same deal with this one. You just sort of loop it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it does sound a little easier. Usually, and one person just pushes them up. I've had to do this by myself. And then the other person grabs the rope. See, I prefer to go the bottoms first. Just that's what I do. So you put that in the. Put those two into the big hole.
Maybe gonna need it, but so might.
Yep, and then just
I'm a
yank it
very
as
visual
hard as you
person.
can
I
up.
need to see things.
Yep. Now this person, when they put their thumb on that, it like pretty much locks it and then put it through. Yep, those ones.
So you're a very visual person.
And then
Or you need a few times to get it right.
Probably, but
It's hard. Yep. That one there. Yep. And then I sit down and put this side. Just 'cause it's easier.
Can you do it a bit quicker? I can only send 2-minute 28 videos, mate.
We'll rip it out and do it again. Oh, wow.
You've done that before, mate.
Alright, definitely got to cut that off. I'm going to do it the wrong way, but just don't do it that way. Oh, that's awesome, mate. You got to make it pretty.
And that was Tech Talk, Parachute and Packing.
Tech tips.
Matt Whiting.